Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus. The Instant Vortex Plus excelled in every test we put it through, which lands it at the top of the pack as our favorite air fryer in our lineup. It fully delivers, cooking everything to near perfection, producing delectably crunchy tater tots and mouth-watering donuts, according to our food experts, all with minimal oil. Perhaps most impressively, it achieves an excellent texture and slight crispness when making sweet potato fries, which is no easy feat. This machine's temperature accuracy is near perfect, ensuring you achieve the same results time after time. True to the Instant brand, this device is multifunctional. It can dehydrate, reheat, and do some basic baking. In addition to the top-tier cooking performance, we adore the Vortex Plus for both its easy cleanup and user-friendliness. Since it has a smooth tray rather than a fry basket, cleaning up is consistently quick and easy. That simplicity extends to the user interface. The dedicated preset buttons and intuitive control wheel are very simple, and we never needed to refer to the user manual during setup. This easy-to-use dial interface extends across instant air fryer models, including the Plus XL and Mini. We also think families will love the Vortex Plus since it has a larger 6-quart capacity. We were impressed that everything came out crispy and delicious even with this higher capacity. It's a great option for entertaining or family use. And our tester was pleased that you can easily remove the basket one-handed without shifting the entire unit. The Instant Vortex Plus left us with very few complaints. It's certainly not the least expensive air fryer, but the overall performance makes it well worth the investment. If you can spend a little extra, the Vortex Plus is the best way to satiate fried food cravings without overdoing it on the cooking oil. If you want dual drawers and an even larger capacity, check out the Instant Vortex Plus XL. Number 2. Ultrean Air Fryer. The Ultrean Air Fryer is a 4.2-quart air fryer that packs a lot of performance into a small footprint. It excels at cooking crispy and crunchy potato products and produced even browning and crisping during our testing. In addition to being priced well, we found the overall ease of use to be very strong. This air fryer has a simple user interface with buttons for power, temperature, and time. We also really like that the Ultrean is so easy to clean. Our test team raved that it has a great non-stick coating and wiped down easily after cooking. It performed better in this category than a lot of higher-priced options, including the Breville Smart Oven, which can collect crumbs in the window crevices. Anyone looking for a reasonably priced air fryer that doesn't skimp on performance will appreciate the Ultrean. It has a mid-size capacity at 4.2 quarts and plenty of versatility. The Ultrean punches well above its class. It has an excellent price-to-performance ratio and is an overall amazing budget pick. That said, we found the beep sound it makes to be very annoying, but it's not a deal-breaker and there are hacks online to disable it. There are some models available that are more intuitive to use and create juicier, crispier chicken. If you have any wiggle room in the budget, it's worth considering the Ninja Foodi Digital Oven. It has a slightly higher price tag, similar capacity, and scored higher in both cooking and user-friendliness. Number 3. Ninja Air Fryer. In your search for an air fryer, you may have noticed that many high-end models opt for a larger 6-quart capacity. If you're short on counter or storage space or do not need the larger capacity but still want top-notch performance, the 4-quart Ninja Air Fryer is our top recommendation. Tester Leslie Robinson consistently churned out satisfyingly crispy foods with minimal fuss. We are also impressed by its temperature accuracy, which our thermometers indicate is one of the best we tested. Accuracy is important for this model because it doubles as a food dehydrator, a process vastly improved by steady and precise temperatures. While other machines like the Breville Smart Oven and Instant Vortex Plus XL, the Ninja stood apart during the temperature testing. The Ninja was one of our favorites for its ease of use. The buttons are easy to navigate, and testers noticed that it's very easy to open with one hand. We were happy to see that the basket always slides in easily and never gave us any trouble. That said, the main drawback of the Ninja is the cleaning of the fryer basket. Gunk tends to accumulate in the numerous nooks and crannies on the bottom, requiring extra elbow grease to clean thoroughly. The Ninja offers otherwise impressive performance for those who don't mind a little extra cleaning effort. The Turbo Blaze also delivers top-level ease of use, and the basket is much easier to clean. Just note that it did not score as highly for cooking. Number 4. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Multifunctionality is quickly becoming the name of the game for countertop kitchen appliances, and the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is currently at the forefront of that trend. It effectively combines the abilities of an air fryer and a toaster oven. In terms of cooking functionality per square inch of counter storage space, it is one of the top kitchen appliances out there. The Smart Oven produced some of the best tater tots we made, though the sweet potato fries were lacking in crisp. We were slightly surprised to see that the chicken was juicy, yet somewhat tough, said Robinson. This could be because the Breville required a longer cooking time to reach the appropriate internal temperature. The Smart Oven took 35 minutes to cook the chicken, while the quick crisping Instant Vortex Plus XL took just 22 minutes. One of our absolute favorite things, though, is the control panel. There are a lot of options and presets with the Smart Oven, but this unit was among the easiest to control. The knobs move smoothly and you can tell it is a high-quality appliance. Our test team was also happy to see that we were able to easily choose between degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. The Breville Air Fryer is a solid choice for anyone interested in a dual-purpose appliance. It takes up a decent amount of counter space, but considering it's both a toaster oven and an air fryer, it could be worth it. If you want to make cookies, toast, dehydrated fruit leather, and air-fried food in one machine, this is the unit for you. If you decide you don't need the toaster feature, it's worth considering the Instant Vortex Plus, which has a higher capacity, lower price, and better overall cooking performance. Number 5. Instant Vortex Plus XL. The Instant Vortex Plus XL has two separate baskets operating independently, so you can make your entire meal, entree and sides, in this device. The temperature of one does not affect the other, and their timers can be synced to complete the cooking simultaneously. This is a very handy feature if you want to make an entire meal in the air fryer or frequently entertain guests. Dual drawers aside, this unit made some of the best chicken breast we've ever tasted. The chicken was dripping with juices on all sides when I picked it up out of the basket, said our tester Jessica Rickonsent. The viewing windows and interior lights make watching your meal's progress easy. We really liked being able to see our food, especially for things like donuts that can quickly go from perfect to burned. The viewing window isn't quite as easy to see through as the Smart Oven, but overall, our testers really like it. It's nice to feel more a part of the cooking process, said Robinson. The interface rocks a dial-digital combination and is generally very intuitive. While its cooking performance varies, the Vortex Plus XL never fails to produce a perfectly cooked chicken breast. With an 8-core capacity, this air fryer is the largest highly rated option we tested. We imagine it would be great for Super Bowl parties and family dinners. Despite the temperature accuracy, the Vortex Plus XL struggles with cooking a crispy potato for some reason. Whether you are working with tater tots or sweet potato fries, the evenness and texture are just off. None of these foods are inedible, but you'll likely need to play around with the settings to get crispy, crunchy fried potatoes. If you don't need dual drawers, we think most people will prefer the Instant Vortex Plus.